Happy Tuesday. Renegade Man here. Hey, so let's do this. Tuesday, September. I'm running out of room. 17th. Come on now. 2024. Oh my God. All right. This is me here. The fun little layout. Got some more stuff for sale. Wait for this screen to refresh and you'll see it. All right. Okay, camera's rolling now. We're live. So, thing I just wrote, Tuesday, September 17th, 2024. Renegade Man here. Renegade Model Railroading. Making a Facebook post. I got a bunch of stuff I want to get rid of. Try to 12 pack. Let's see, where's the logo at? There we go. Tortoise Machines. A lot of beautiful stuff here. A little bit easier in a video to see everything I post, I guess. Let's see. I don't want to see my face, but it's nice and shiny, I guess. So, same thing. It's kind of a pair. If you want them single, we can get them single. That's fine. Yeah, I hope the day is good. We've got a long week ahead of us. A lot of packing to do. Digitrax decoder, sound decoder. I have two of them. The 167 and the 147. There's those. We get that out of the way. These are real nice. These are ones you would see locally, depending on your location. There's the part number for you. I'll just do the same thing with all of these. Ferromex, these are really neat. These are older version. It might be a little loud. There's some trains running. Can't work without trains running. That's no way to live. Okay. And I know the packaging is damaged. We can always talk about that if you are interested. But oh man, you can see myself real good. It's like going in the bathroom, a brand new mirror. Okay, so of course, Hydro Cushions, Southern Pacific, we all know about these, but if you don't have them, it would be a good time to get them. Okay. And then these are actually kind of my favorites. I can't keep them as much as I would love to. Let's straighten that out. Now, these are the Norfolk and Western SD45s. You can buy them single units. I have Road 1757, Road 30, and 1776, which is bicentennial scheme, patriotic scheme. It's actually really nice. And these Atlas, these are Gold Series. Really good runners, and they last a long time. For example, these are SD50s that I have. These are not for sale, but I just wanted to show you. I've had these for a few years and they still run great. Now, just for fun, because it's an entertainment sort of day today here. This is another Broadway Limited product, NW2 switcher. It's for sale. Neat little guy. Okay, that guy's nice. And if we go over here, let's see now. Oh yes. Another N-scale unit. The Spirit. And I have a bunch of breading T1s. I actually have all the paint schemes of these: Conrail, the Christmas logo, Chessie. This is the Delaware and Hudson. These also feature smoke, so something to consider. And the 244 back here. But anyways, take a look. I'll have all the item specifics in the description. You can take a look and see if you're interested. If not, I hope you enjoyed the video, and enjoy your Taco Tuesday. Thanks. Take care.